Check the list, tick the box. I'm on a roll today. I just finished my morning coffee. I haven't started working, don't stop me. She has already called me twice today. He hasn't arrived yet, he's on his way. The day is young, but I've done so much. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my touch. I've just done it, it's fresh and new. I've already told you what to do. Have you finished your homework yet? No, I haven't, don't be upset. Just already and not yet, it is a rule you won't forget. We have already seen this film before. I have just walked through the open door. They haven't paid the bill yet. Oh no, look at the time, we have to go. I have just realized something strange. People can grow, people can change. I've just done it, it's fresh and new. I've already told you what to do. Have you finished your homework yet? No, I haven't, don't be upset. Just already and not yet, it is a rule you won't forget. Just means a moment ago, I've just seen him. Already means before now, I've already eaten. Yet goes at the end. Not yet. Are we there yet?
I've just sung this song. It didn't take long. Have you liked it yet? I've already done it. Yeah.